Q4 ക്വിസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. കേറ്റഡ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷണൽ സൈക്കോളജിയിൽ നിന്നും കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Today, psychology is related to the scientific study of human behavior, which includes somewhat the earlier psychologist called experience. The statement above given by N.L. Munn, which believes the content of psychology is A. Stimulus response, B. Internal experience, C. Both of the above, D. None of the above. Answer both of the above, that is stimulus response and internal experience. Next one. The chief characteristic of psychology is A. Complexity, B. Changeability, C. Effect of heredity, D. All the above. Answer all the above, that is complexity, changeability, effect of heredity. Next one. The credit of writing the first treatise on psychology goes to option A. William James, B. R.S. Woodworth, C. Weber, D. William McDowell. Answer William James. Next one. The method of study of psychology is option A. Introspective method, B. Experimental method, C. Observation method, D. Questionnaire method. Answer introspective method. Next question. How the psychology explains the learning behaviors related human development? What questions does education attempts to give its positive answer? How and why educational psychology is related to learning? This definition of psychology is given by options A. Crow and Crow, B. Brown, C. Skinner, D. Pillsbury. Answer Crow and Crow. Next question. Which one of the following statement is false in relation to educational psychology? Option A. The focus of educational psychology is human behavior. B. Educational psychology analyzes the facts based that is collected through research and observation. C. Educational psychology formulates the principles based on the knowledge collected in centuries. D. Educational psychology gives the solution of all the problems of education. Answer. Educational psychology gives the solution of all the problems of education. Next question. The basic objective of educational psychology is option A. The control, prediction and knowledge of human behaviors. B. The application of psychological principles in good teaching learning process. C. The remedy for the problems related with the motivation, evaluation and teaching method. D. All the above. Answer all the above. Next question. The scope of educational psychology consists of dash. Option A. The students only, B. The teachers only, C. The teaching learning process only, D. All the above. Answer all the above. Next. The utility or application of statistical methods in educational psychology is A. To understand the problem of education in a reliable manner. B. To analyze and interpret the facts or data. C. To make the scientific nature of educational psychology. D. All the above. Answer all the above. Next question. The aim of psychological experimentation is dash. A. To study the human behavior under controlled conditions. B. To formulate the general principles for human behavior. C. To understand the conditions influencing human behavior. D. All the above. Answer: all the above. Next, which one of the following is not the defect of experimental method? A. Artificial conditions of the experiment. B. Difficulty on the part of subject to seek help. C. The possibilities to gain accurate knowledge of mental state of the subject. D. Impossibility to control the internal state of the subject. Answer: the possibilities to gain accurate knowledge of mental state of the subject. Next, which one of the following is not the aim of educational psychology? Options: A. To understand the abilities, interests and potentials of the student. B. To study the developmental characteristics of the students. C. To study the individual differences among the students. D. To make free the students from discipline. Answer: to make free the students from discipline. Next, the introspection method of psychology involves A. The brain to study its own mental process. B. The study of your mental process by another person. C. The observation of your mental process by the scientist. D. None of the above. Answer: the brain to study its own mental process. Next, the best method to study the growth and development of the child is dash. A. Psychoanalytic method. B. Comparative method. D. Developmental method. D. Statistical method. Answer: developmental method. Next question, the exponent of school of psychoanalysis was dash. Option A. Sigmund Freud. B. Alfred Adler. C. C.D. Jung. D. William James. Answer: Sigmund Freud. Thank you.